seat natin. Seat number 172. Wala. Saan ba ito?
Let's look at buttons. Let's look at buttons. At 11. Mommy, we can't put it down.
Hello, Komorai, 3 of you, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's a straight down.
Okay. Thank you. Ito ang
Which number was it? Which is the first class? What is second class?
Mommy, we are in economics.
Mommy, did they say which class are we?
Yeah. Let's go, guys. Dito na po tayo sa airplane. Hi. Hello.
Hi!
There at the back. Be careful this one, mommy. Hello.
Hi, I'm gonna see you there.
Wait, I will ask her. Sorry, where is this? Can you? What number?
I'll go before you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, dear. Yeah.
I don't know why. We have to why? Because we have but I got her. Now you can't leave her.
Nella, come here, Nakian. Do you want to sit down here?
Here's your boarding pass for the access, right?
Nella.
The access.
What access?
Access to the TV thing. How can you access it? How did you access it? Yeah. Ah, okay. Okay, you touch the record.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Privilege Club and One World Frequent members. We would also like to extend our welcome to customers of our codeshare partners, Latam Airlines, Middle East Airlines, Oman Air, Royal Air Maroc, and Virgin Australia. As you prepare
I can play.
Wait, I take picture with Daddy. Come, Kian.
Come on, can I adjust the
here.
seat?
Ate, come here. Hello, guys. You want to take picture? We will send to Daddy.
Wait, can I see the outside of the plane?
Yan, battery siya yan. You will make like this, Mama, when it's battery. So, dito na po kami. Ito we will send to Daddy because he's waiting. May upuan pa tayo, guys. Tabi-tabi kami.
I thought it was loud.
You must wash your hands like this.
So this is what we're supposed to do with the night?
Yeah.
What if we want to eat? That's the thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the event of loss of cabin pressure, kindly ensure that you remove the face covering if you are wearing one prior to putting on the drop-down oxygen mask. Thank you.
Dogman, you don't want to watch? Eh?
I want to watch my ex family. It's an anime.
Okay. Kakain na daw mga bata. Oh. Mama, they will serve. Inshallah, Habibato. Yala, that's why you watch your... mga bata excited sila. Itong dalawa nag-i-enjoy sila. Turn off na yung phone, ate. I turn off already mine.
What? I
My
couldn't hear
phone.
you because of the headsets. Why they turn off?
Turn off. Hello, you remember? You remember when you were...
had like
I'm not gonna take it with me.
I'm gonna
No, take it. We will give to
I'm
Bella.
gonna take it with me.
Look, you can use the bag, Mama.
I know. You can use. I wanted the sushi.
La,
But
the
you
for
can't.
babies.
What's happening?
Ito guys, bigay nila.
I will ask
So,
her.
you
Can
need
I
to
go
put
the passenger?
Batchway to
Can I
your
go
bag.
the-
No, Mama. Ano, we are taking off now. Batchway, it will come back.
Okay.
May baby dun. So cute, the baby. Nakaupo dun, ah. Ang cute. May baby sa tabi namin, baby siya.
Oh, so that's why are the engines off? Oh my god. Why are you crying? We are in the second class. This is good. We shared which was already we're gonna choose. Wait, I'm right here.
Ayan, ito for you.
Are you sure?
Hala, beef mo. tabule. May tabule din sila. I think salad. Ayan. Mamaya pa sa akin. Yes, mama, you can eat now. Yeah, beef. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, open now. Eat first before you watch. Oh, so delicious for Kian.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. What you order, ate?
Who would you like to drink?
You want juice?
Yes, juice.
Apple, mango, orange.
Apple.
Yeah, lait na ka doon. You wash your hands with the tissue. They gave you tissue while I go. Where is it? Wait, I will check. Kalas, I will give you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Ayan. Put here.
I have
Ayan. Okay. Kain na yung dalawa. Mamaya pa ako. Kay Cheyenne, beef, what you order? The same movie? Yes. With pasta, beef with pasta. Beef with pasta, tabuli, and then sweet and bread. Juice. Layan, batchoy.
Oh, I feel hungry right now.
Yala, it mamang pinit. Where is your wife? Yala. Why you remove this one? Put it, mom. Be careful your juice. No. Be careful your juice. The tissue is here. Yala, it.
How did you do it?
Hello, that's why you juice. Be careful your juice, mama. Eat first before you play. You watch. Sante, they are eating now. Don't drink all the batch. Why? You will not be able to finish all that one. Yeah.
Why is it? The bread is so delicious.
Yes, Sante. Did I hold that? Tabuli ata yan, guys. Oh. It's not a quinoa. Quinoa? Quinoa. Yes. Oh. Hot? Masarap ito, guys. Oh. Ayaw ni Cheyenne. Kinain ko. Sweet siya na rice. So. No. Labachoy. Mga bata muna ang pinapakain nila. Mga hindi pa sila kumain. Mamaya pa yung mga adult. Mga bata pa lang yung sinerve. Ganyan din siguro ang isa-serve sa amin. Adult. pasta with beef with beans. Yung isa, chicken with chickpeas. Ewan ko, siguro chicken with chickpeas sa akin kasi kain ka mo naman.
Actually nice.
Yan lang. Sometimes, habibi, you're hungry. Be careful your clothes. Lagay ko muna dito yung juice niya. Apple ito. Kamaan.
Just leave it. Let's leave it. How many feet we are? 41,000.
salad nila.
I don't like it.
Ano siya? Bulgur guys na may green peas, cucumber, red bell pepper, and tomato ata ito. Ayaw ng mga bata. Masarap naman. Bakit ayaw? Okay. Kainin ko yan. Masarap naman yung ano nila. May ano kasi siya. Alam nyo yung lasa. Maasim na matamis. Meron siyang raisin, pomegranate, cucumber, green bell pepper, red bell pepper. Sarap yung food nila guys. 250 ml. Lagay ko dito baka matumba. Kain po. Tapos na kami kumain. Nandito pa yung hotel. Alam niyo, maluwang itong nakakaunat kami yung upuan. Hindi siya masikip. Okay siya. Nakatulog ako kanina and then nag-serve sila ng food. Kaya may energy na tayo. So may 2 hours and 32 minutes pa tayo bago tayo makarating sa Doha. Dumaan kami dito. Ewan ko itong mga ito. O, tignan nyo. Dito na kami. Mountain siya. Desierto. Desierto siya. Dumaan kami. Ayan yung Beirut. Dumaan kami sa Palestinian. Yeah, Jordan. Ito yung Syria. Greece. Egypt.
I heard Cairo there are leaders inside and a lot of
Dumaan
army.
kami dito sa Cyprus. Umikot kami sa Cyprus. Tapos, wait mama. Tapos dito ayan yung Saudi ata ito. Yan, umikot siya. Dumaan kami sa Beirut, Cyprus, Palestinian, sa Gaza, yan nadaanan din namin ang Jordan. Tapos ito yung Doha. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung Kuwait. Okay. Bahrain. Dito kami. Ayan. Tignan nyo guys, andito yung Beirut, hindi pa, may papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan yung Iran. Tapos, saan yung Israel? Hindi makita. Dito, malapit sa amin. Turkey, Syria, Iraq, Jordan. Dumaan kami sa sa between Egypt at saka sa Jordan. Ayan, paikot na siya. Dadaan kami sa Saudi ata. Tapos kasi andito yung Doha Sana yung Doha. Yan yung Saudi. Ayun, ito ang Doha. Tignan nyo, umikot siya pag ganyan. Yan So anyway guys, sabi ng asawa ko that time yung oras na yan, may nangyayari pala sa taas. Kaya pala na-delay po kami ng 1 hour and 15 minutes. So supposed to be ang dating namin sa Qatar is 3:15. Umabot po kami ng 4:30. Ganun, 4:30, 4:20 yung dating sana namin sa airport ng Doha. Kaso na-delay po kami kasi umikot po yung sinasakyan namin, and maraming nakita si Cheyenne sa bintana na kasabay naming mga eroplano na papuntang Doha. So yun, kaya na-delay po ang dating namin sa Qatar. Dito na po tayo. Then, can you take it? hours. يعني يعني مش هلا بعد شوي 3 hours. Mag-stay kami ng 3 hours dito sa Qatar. But sure you will sleep. Long trip. Bali from Beirut to Doha is 3 hours.
We were already on the floor, on the ground.
So we can pass.
Using stairs, please take extra care and hold the handrail as you disembark. Thank you.
Tayo. Yay! Karating na po tayo sa Doha. Yung dalawa oh.